DeltaChat is a messenger that feels like Telegram or WhatsApp, but without tracking and centralized control. It uses the mail system, the largest decentralized communication infrastructure that ever existed. DeltaChat does not need your phone number. I'm now going to use one of my email accounts. I'm using this name and a password and logging in. Now I'm going to send a message to Bruno. He's not in my contact lists. I'm just going to add him. Bruno at testrun.org. I'm going to send him a message. If I can type. Oops. The message is being sent, you can see, and sent successfully.
Okay, maybe not.
You can see it's been received. There's 2 checks now, 2 ticks. And I've just gotten a photo from him. And a voice message, an audio file.
It's pretty hot here.
Great. You can send a message to anyone who's not using DeltaChat. They will receive the message as an email. Sloth at testrun.org. Hi Sloth. How are you?
Seems that someone sent me a message using DeltaChat Messenger. Oh, let me try to reply. Hey, Gaia. What's that new tool you are using? Let's see if she receives it.
Wow. She replied. Look at that.
Hi Sloth, how are you? And it's sent with a DeltaChat Messenger. Wow, I need to check that out. It's an open source project based on open standards. And you can also reach out to us using our support forum, read our blog, and ask us all your questions.